This video is the continuation from my previous episode where I replaced my oil pan gasket to fix an oil leak. In that video, what was supposed to be an hour job turned into 3 hours due to my stubbornness to not look up how to do it. I chose to just figure it out as I went, and because of 2 stubborn bolts when putting back the front cross member, I eventually ran out of time. So in today's episode, I was going to replace 4 spark plugs, the fuel filter, and the valve cover gasket. I anticipated an hour to do everything, but ended up only needing 10 minutes. I checked the spark plugs, and surprisingly, it didn't need changing. I checked the fuel filter, and it was still okay. And then the valve cover gasket itself went super smooth. There were only 6 bolts to remove. I just had to unplug the spark plug wire for plug number 1 and was able to just shift the cover aside without having to remove any other plug wire or the breather tube. And to my surprise, the gasket, though it was old, it removed cleanly, and so I didn't have to clean the surface of the cover or the engine block at all. So it was literally a simple removal, replaced, and just bolt everything back together. 10 minutes in total. I love how easy it is to work on this truck. During the install, I did drop a bolt, but since the engine bay had so much empty space, the bolt was easily retrieved and did not disappear into the abyss. If you worked on modern cars, you probably know what I mean when I say it is scary to drop a small bolt while working in the engine bay. After I slightly tightened the bolt, I hand torqued each bolt to about 5 foot-pound. These aluminum cover can get damaged if you do more. So in the end, no mess, no fuss, all done in 10 minutes, plus another 15 minutes to warm up the engine to verify that there were no leaks. And that was that. Now that the truck is mechanically sound, I think my next item to tackle is to polish up the wheels and slap on new tires. I've always wanted to mount my own tires, so I bought the tools to do so. I look forward to it, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode where I will attempt, for the first time ever, to remove, mount, and balance my own tires. And lastly, give the wheels a nice polish. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.